Woof! Hello! We're so happy to see you here at the Grand Paradis Chalet, our home base since 2024. 20 years ago in 2005, this place was buzzing with excitement. The first stage of La Grande Odyssey, the iconic sled dog race, arrived here, right in front of that beautiful lime tree you can see from the chalet. On that day, the teams came hurtling down the Col de Caux, a steep, technical, and tough trail, just like us. Thanks to our legendary flair and strategic location, this chalet has become our launch base. From here, we set off to work, explore, and run like the wind, summer and winter alike. But it's not just a den. It's a place steeped in history, connections, and wonderful encounters between humans, nature, animals, and above all, us. The real racing dogs, with more than 4,000 years of heritage under our paws. And speaking of us, you've probably guessed, but we're the stars here. A pack of purebred Siberian Huskies that you'll have the opportunity to get up close and personal with. Before the start, we warm up in our own way. We sing, we howl, we get impatient. This is what we call our famous will to go, the irrepressible urge to run. The handlers, our human assistants, prepare us, harness us, check our track, and make sure that everyone, dogs and humans alike, is in place and ready for action. So don't panic. We're loud, but we're not mean.
Devant les chiens!
To guide the pack, mean our conductor, the musher. He or she directs us, motivates us, and makes sure everything runs or glides smoothly. At the start, the musher doesn't talk much. Concentration is key to keep us in line and avoid any doggy chaos.
C'est bien les chiens, super!
But once we're on the move, silence. We race ahead. We can reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers an hour, ears in the wind, tongues hanging out with joy. Our cruising speed, 20 to 22 kilometers per hour. No time to waste. Here, we combine power and passion and take you on an adventure in the heart of nature. Once we're on the go, you can chat with the musher, enjoy the scenery, and savor the moment. When it comes to safety, we don't mess around. Our activities take place on private, marked trails because we have plenty of power under our paws. An unfamiliar dog or an overly curious squirrel might trigger our pack instincts, so we don't take any risks.
G.
How do we understand each other? Easy. The musher uses our coded language. G to turn right. Ha to go left. Forward to go straight ahead. And stop or slow down. On board the sled, you'll be part of the pack, so remember to lean into the turns like a true teammate. As you can see, we've got a competitive spirit, starting with Violaine, our human pack leader, a true champion. She has an impressive record with numerous world titles. Just talking about it makes my paws tingle. And what about you? You can settle down comfortably for a nice sled ride, followed by some photos, pats, and cuddles. In winter, we get our paws in the snow and offer introductions to mushing and sledding baptisms. But that's not all. There's also dog sledding for children aged 3 and up in our baby park. And for experienced skiers, there's ski joring. Fiolan's favorite activity, which involves skating with 1 or 2 dogs harnessed to you.
On déclipse, on passe à travers, on va clipser ici. Elle pourra vous aider si
Even without snow, we don't slow down.
Mousqueton côté humain. Ça côté chien. Ji, ha, devant pour partir, stop pour s'arrêter.
During the summer season, our canine activities include canine hiking, from discovery tours to mountain hut stops, a must for a day out as a couple, with friends, or for families with children aged 7 and over. Canine cross for cross-country runs together. Canine bike for motivated mountain bikers. Or the cart baptism, our summer sled, with up to 12 dogs harnessed in front of a 3- or 4-wheeled multi-seater cart. We are active all year round, but we are sensitive to heat. In summer, we prefer early morning or late afternoon outings, when our snouts can breathe more easily. That's all from me, friends. I'll leave you in the expert paws of the musher. Trust them, lean into your turns, open your heart wide, and let us put stars in your eyes. Woof! Welcome to our home, and let the adventure begin.